Women rep county ya Kisii Dorris Donya totasiri tukulia kubwatira nebengeri ya KCB niko bana bachaka kurwa maegerio anene asenchera yo kunyara gukana ogosaro ku mwana munyaruka niko chinga keji Dorris Donya totatse yabuna nacho kubwatira na amone byombe binde kwaneki anasa chinga kechi ga chimeyega Yesu guko ogosaro kwa bana nkoligochi gokolekana omurikitonde mo Steven ni gataro ikasense meyonna gotwaliganira roboti rokubwatia.
Omoye gorero ni gorenta mwabwatani korwa visio mo women representative of Kisii Dorris Donya abuli abuba kwegerera omwana omoiseke.
As a family KCB, we were approached by the women rep who is in our midst, Donya Toto, that she's very passionate about this idea, and this is one of I think flagship project that she wants to drive to ensure that the young child, the girl child is not affected in any way.
I thank Kenya Commercial Bank because you realize that women reps, we've not received our affirmative action fund, but we are moving, we are rolling out. They've partnered with me 100%. Nothing has come out from the women rep office, but courtesy of KCB, we are ready to train over 150. We had a target of 100, but they came and you can't send them away.
That's why we are here as a family, KCB Foundation, KCB family, to support this noble cause and ensure that there is no girl child who goes through that process.
Somo yego yuo niga bana bubase migwigoro yo gutasarwa mono ase chinga kechi cherusa yo motinyo 12.
Ere twachaga office ya women rep ucha kwa support ase moyego igaretire yo konya bana baita baiseke mba basakonya kwa baba sarwa ono ekinekeranga ri kiasani kwa ramne Gusii abana baita babere bagwetera makongwa mange andi twanyoliro musubatu yiga imama county onyorore tiga kwa aigerera abana baiseke na twacha kwa momo ina talia rubyo kugutara soro gendoro yiga ntomo support yeito na ndo genderere kumusupport asamangana yiga yo konya abana baiseke
gati yemechandende ya bana yakwaniru namo na malita mapema chinywa mochia mapema abana gutacherwa inse ogosiereri kwa baibori amone bikorwa binde bigoturubania chimbwa chingi yaso mwana omoiseke amonomo mura
na ende mwisho konyora buya juzi elibarwete statistics cha HIV mwaro Gusii igotora among the top 10 counties igogo chaka wekonya tolende abana beto mapema mbanyora liguliri abetire ase HIV gake umwana onde tabetu neligweli ga abana bakine buya mambi na mambiende na bobora bubwaito.
Watoto, kama unataka kuwa kama Dorris, uache kukeketwa. Kitu cha pili, ukienda shule ufanye bidii.
Abakwani mbachengero omoroberi oyo bwabisio mo women representative ase bamwomoyo bwokugendera nemeroberi buneye nonye ekinayo kwamirerio bubuyibwaye kigendera temeke gambero gya Kisii.
Sisi tuko nyuma yako. Hata ile kesi kokotini ile ni bure tu. Hata wakisema kura zipiwe tena, tutapiga raundi hii tena. Zijae mpaka liende kwangu kuchukua debe tuweke zingine.
Inche nkora ingie kura ya none ya moya renge, lakini I did not make a mistake. Nonye koromo ke igo baba ebintu twarorire gwachakire kuigeka ase Kisii County twarorire nga mbele iko sawa.
Korwase egekaro kya lero a service ya Oma Women Rep County ya Kisii negengane mwamu ya nyalire korwe gwa sabwatani bonsi emye binyoro konyara kwene kivuna ngubwatira na bara maboko kwene kivuna bakyananiri ebikoru byo gosaru kwa mwana omoiseke elie county ya Kisii nyale kubwekana buna chi county chinde imense ya Kenya. Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV korwa iga service ya Oma Women Rep County ya Kisii ensemo ya Busongo elie taliane Ndemo Steven.